Hey there everyone, I'm Michael, and this is another update video following up on yesterday's update video where I talked about Project Unite and some other things going on with ShiftOS. Now, something recent has happened that shut down basically the entire game. The multi-user domain. I went to add another chat to it and went to restart the multi-user domain. Before I restarted it, I noticed there were two instances of it running. One that was crashed as well. So there were 3 total instances of the mud going on my server. One of them, of course, was the crashed one sitting in Visual Studio. The second was one that was bound to localhost, and the other was bound to the public multi-user domain, which is what you guys would join when you open ShiftOS. Of course, this isn't normal behavior, so I restarted the multi-user domain. Visual Studio had a bit of a crash while I restarted it, and I restarted Visual Studio, and I ran the multi-user domain, and unfortunately, what happened is due to a bug, a major bug with the chat system, it tried to join the chat, and then crashed, and because it was a startup crash, the way the multi-user domain is programmed is whenever it crashes and it's unhandled, it shuts itself down and restarts. However, unfortunately, due to the way the multi-user domain is programmed, it was able to restart itself. However, it was not able to shut the current instance down. So what happened was, one instance of the mud starts, which is called by me, it crashes, restarts itself, tries to shut itself down, and crashes yet again, which causes an infinite loop of multi-user domains starting to run, and the amount of multi-user domains exponentially increases as they all are affected by this bug. So, the multi-user domain had to be shut down indefinitely, basically. So unfortunately, until we can fix this issue, and I'll get into what I mean by fix this issue because it's not what you think, the multi-user domain in ShiftOS will not be playable for about 2 weeks or so. Now, the whole thing about what I just said with fixing the issue not meaning fixing the issue, we are no longer maintaining the current code base of the multi-user domain. Like the Windows Forms version of ShiftOS, like the Visual Basic version, and like 0.1.x, it has become a state where it is no longer maintainable. It is too buggy, we don't know where half the bugs are coming from, and we don't know why they're coming, and most of the client-side bugs have been caused by the server. We've decided to just rewrite it. We will be rewriting it so that it is fully integrated with Project Unite, and although it may break all the older versions of ShiftOS, we will basically make it so that all your stuff is stored on your Unite account. All your code points, etc. will be stored on Unite. So while we program that, the game won't be playable. So that was a quick video. I just wanted to explain what's going on. But you know what? This video is too short. I'm not going to leave you guys hanging. I want to show you guys some newer features with Unite, and excuse this is the server that the multi-user domain runs on. I had to shut it down. But let's go over to Project Unite, which, as you know, is at projectunite.azurewebsites.net. We'll let it load up. It is a bit slow. Hopefully in the future I'll be able to upgrade it so that it's a bit faster. Now, already we can see there are some new additions to the Project Unite. Just looking at the home screen. For one, we've got this little panel saying, "Welcome to Project Unite. Things are a bit barren right now, and not a lot of stuff is implemented. Feel free to explore." So this is just a little disclaimer. However, if we look at the nav bar, you see more people are starting to adopt Project Unite. We've got a notification system, and we've got our newest member MacMM. I probably butchered your name, I'm sorry. But if we go to his profile by clicking on this, and that's a cool feature of Unite, whenever you click on a profile, you can see, I don't even know where I was going. I meant to say, whenever you go to Unite, you can see the newest user who has joined, and you can click on it to visit their profile. That's what I meant to see. And as you can see, we got a sort of Twitter-esque interface going on. We've got some user stats over here, so 0 code points. That'll probably change when the Maltese domain is integrated with Project Unite. We've got when the user joined, which today, at the time of recording this, how many posts they've made and how many topics they've made. And we can also see their avatar, and we can follow them. If we follow them, not only is their name added to their followers list on the side here, and we can go to my profile by clicking that, every time this person makes a post, we will see it in our notifications. This is true for user posts, so what's on this screen, as well as forum posts and new topics created by the user. At any time, if you want to stop getting these notifications, you can simply hit unfollow. I'm not going to do that. So if we go over to my profile, we'll see another feature that's soon to be implemented, and that is backdrops. You'll see that there is a blue background on my profile, and if we zoom out, it's incredibly zoomed out right now. It is the Microsoft Confidential desktop background, because I really like the blue color, and I like the let's not leak our hard work text, but that's my backdrop. You'll be able to set your own in a later update of Unite, but for now, it's only settable by those with access to the database, so me. Anyways, I've been using the posting system in Unite to basically show off what's been going on with Unite development. That's a weird bug. There's not supposed to be a scroll bar there, but HTML for you, I guess. But I've been documenting everything I've been doing in Unite. As you can see, I've got some followers. I've got a shifter. I'm also following AOP-MP4, a shifter, and MacMM. I can make a new post, and they will get notified when I make the post, recording a little Unite development update, as well as talking about the recent mud downtime and what's going to happen. Fun. Then I can click post. As you can see, it posted to my profile. So that's the profile system. It works perfectly. If we go up to, actually I'm not sure, what should we look at next? I've only really looked at the profile system so far, so I'm not really sure what to do next. Notifications, I can't really demo how this works, because as much as I am followed by, or as much as I am following people, I don't really, nobody's really done many things since the following system has been implemented today. So unfortunately I can't demo the notification system, but what will happen is you'll see the user's profile picture, and then the notification, as well as a link to the notification where it originated from. So that's how that'll work. So I guess that's, not too sure. I mean, of course, we do have forums. They're still working. I've made some updates to Unite. I've, again, more documentation of different upgrades. Updates. But as you can see, and not that I can like my own posts, I should probably find someone else's posts to do, but actually I'm not sure if I showed off that interface. I'm trying to think of what we can show off. I guess we'll just leave it off here. Anyways, that was just a quick video of the new profile system in Unite and what's happening with the multi-user domain. So, if some of you can't get it on ShiftOS today, that is why. You'll have to be patient with us as we work things out. Anyways, I've been Michael. I'll see you guys in the next video.